Yo, YouTube. It's Mr. B from Pilot Stuff here. Hope you're having a good afternoon, good morning, good day, whatever. Anyway, we're back here with yet another sneaker unboxing, because it's what we do around here. We tend to do these sneaker unboxings, everyone. Got one here. It's coming in a grey packet, so it's not our normal people. You already know what this is. SJ, you're going to speed this up for me. About now, yeah? Right. Oh my word! Well, you saw how that went. These came from End, which is a bit weird for us to be buying SBs from End, but I couldn't find these particular ones in my size. And what have we got here, everyone? So they are Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. They're light cream, deep royal blue. SJ, they're a US 11.5, makes them a UK 10.5, and the code is CT6688200. Yeah, why have End stuck a little sticker on? Why have they done that? That's just annoying. Also, slightly peeved, I'm on the old teal box. So we've got the Trocket Dunk Low, and it's part of a 2-dunk pack. These they're looking very special already, so let's get rid of the box. So first impressions out of the box. Have a look. Oh, there you go, have a look at that bad boy. And SJ's turning the lights down. Oh, that's moody, isn't it? Oh, that looks really nice. Right, you over here, you have a look at that now. Oh yeah, now, I think we're gonna do this video in the dark because these shoes are so light colored that you can't see them under the bright lights. So SJ's got to turn the light up now because she can't see. So we've got a lot of little details. First of all, the shoes are inspired by 70s trucks and road trips across America, sort of the decals that you'd see on those trucks. And Nike, while it looks plain and simple on the outside, there's actually a fair few details in these. So we're going to call in SJ nice and close, and so she can get in. So first of all, we've kind of got this vinyl print on the swoosh here, but we've also got underneath it, if you look SJ, we've got stitched underneath there, just here, to give a kind of a 3D effect. I'm going to swing the shoe round so you can see the heels. So we can see the Nike there on the back, that's really nice. And in fact, let's come over to you, camera 2. What we've also got with these as well is there's actually a little capsule collection. And if you go and look at on various skate sites, you'll see that the clothes that go with it really mirror. So if you look at and it's still super bright under here, and wow, my hand is shaking like mad. If you look at the way the Nike is, all of the tops that are going with this are like that as well. So yeah, it's really nice. So SJ's turning the lights back up. I am gonna do what we struggle to do on the P-rods, and I'm gonna pull out the inner sole of this shoe because, I'm gonna try. It's funny, everyone was saying, oh, just pull them out in the comments of our P-rod video. I came down here afterwards and I just did it. While I'm under pressure, pulling out these inner soles is a little challenging. But I want you to see, here we go. It's more that there's no glue, they're not glued in. Right, have a look at that. So you can see already, you've got this detail here, and this is supposed to be a desert scene, and if we think about the shoe, like this sandy color, you can see that there's a desert-inspired kind of color there, and you've got a little cactus there on the inner sole. I'm gonna come back to that cactus. I'm gonna come back to it. While I just put this inner sole in, I just say, if you're new around here and you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there. If you have subscribed and you haven't hit the notification bell, it's down there as well. It really does help the channel if you hit that, and you also get notified when we're uploading. And if you don't know who I am, did I introduce myself at the start, everyone? I think I did. Well, my name's Mr. B anyway, and this is Pilot Stuff. Got SJ on the camera over there somewhere, and we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We also stream every Sunday. That's Sneaker Streaming Sundays at 8 PM UK time, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast, and we go through what we've worn that week on our weekly sneaker rotation. I don't know why I did that sort of little thing there. The weekly sneaker rotation. We have a look at Instagram and we go through the news, and generally we get a bunch of people in and we're just talking sneakers, which on a Sunday night is a great way to end the week. Back to the shoe, SJ. So you know I mentioned, I'm going to undead stock the laces there because these are so nice. I mentioned that cactus on the inner sole. Now just a nice little touch, and I'm going to, don't worry all you other cameras, I'm going to come back to you. Have a look at the little piece that you put the laces through. Got a little cactus there. And I like as well, the tongue tab has also following through on that sort of, on the blue pattern. On the inside of the shoe, it's just black, and that's it. It's a really nice shoe. Now, if we look at the suede, I'm gonna call it SB suede. Slightly tougher, but nice. It feels really soft as well, actually. These great shoe. I think SB are doing really, really well on GRs at the moment. If you think that, or you think otherwise, let us know in the comments. Did you pick up the highs of these, which are sort of it's a black, but then it's got like the same kind of pattern, but in orange. And I've under and on the highs. I'm tempted still. They are sitting some places. And when I say they're sitting some places, it's February 2020. It's February 2020. I had to check with SJ there because I thought it was 2019 last week. Right now, they are still sitting in places. You can still find the highs. I've actually seen them on Nike.com as well, which is kind of interesting that they started off in skate stores, obviously as a GR, but they're in many, many places. And in fact, randomly, you wouldn't expect to find an SB, like a GR SB, on a clothing retailer like End, but there they were. I'm going to come into you, camera 2. So SJ, can you do your magic? Just like that. All right, have a look there, camera 2. I'm going to try and see if we can focus. Can you see the little cactusy thing? So that's what I wanted to show you. I want to come into you, camera 1, because I think that you deserve like a... Wow, that looks so good. So good on camera. Like, I don't know what it looks like to everybody else, but I quite like these moody lights. If I lean in, it doesn't look so bad. And like, look, like you can actually see the shoe more appropriately. Just to finish up on the shoe, you can't really see it on that one. We're going to go to you, camera 2, because you can see this more effectively. You can see that you've just got this little blue bit here and then a black sole. It's a really great dunk, SJ. So you can turn your lights up now, bang, just like that. You've got this multitasking sort of, you're the camera person, you're the prompter for me, you're also the light person. 3 tasks. Anyway, I don't know where I'm going with that at all, everybody. SJ, thoughts?
Super nice dunk.
It's clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's clean. I really think SB have really, they're on a roll at the moment with their clean shoes. Alternate laces white. I think that's a bit of a poor choice. If I'm honest, I wish they'd gone with this baby blue. That sort of baby blue there. I think that would have worked really well as an alternate lace. I don't think I've got any baby blue laces. That's a shame. Or a flat lace would be nice as well. So have another look. I'm going to spin this round for you. And as I say to everyone, while SJ's doing her magic, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Dislike it if you don't like it. Come and join us. Oh, one final thing. If you're on Instagram, we are Pint of Stuff on Instagram. And don't forget to use the hashtag Pint of Stuff, or just tag us and we'll include you in our weekly roundups. I am going to just say to everybody while we hold the shoe up there, I think we're probably in the end card right now. Somewhere over there will be a video probably, and if you want to hit it, it will really help the channel with the rankings in the Google old algorithm-y thing apparently. So I just want to say goodbye. We'll see you next time. Have another look, camera 2. Just look at really look at that swoosh. And I wonder if you can see the stitching. Is it on the outside yet? Have a look. Right, I'm going to bring you right in close. Can you see the stitching underneath the swoosh? It's really nice. Actually, SJ, if you want to turn the lights down one more time, you might see it better. Yeah, I think you can see it better there. And then finally for you, camera 1, just one last look while we go. And we're gone.